Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix a runtime error on Windows, then stick for the solutions. Now the first solution would be is to restart the computer. That would remove any corrupt temporary file. Now if that doesn't work, what we can do is we can update the program which shows the runtime error. So how we do that is if we have downloaded the program from the Microsoft Store, we go to the Microsoft Store, we click on downloads and we click get updates, or individually we can update the program here. Just press update and it should be updated. Now if the program is not updated for Microsoft Store, then you will have to look for the updates online. Now if that too doesn't work, the third option would be is to repair and reset the program or the app. So let's right click on start, settings, apps, installed apps, and go for the program which is giving us the issue. So for example, let me say Microsoft 365 Office program is giving me a runtime error. So what I can do is I can click on the three buttons here, go to advanced options and press repair and then reset. Now if this both doesn't work, if none of the solutions above work, then what we do is we can uninstall the program and then reinstall the program either by downloading it from Microsoft Store or from the manufacturer's website. The final solution would be is to run an SFC scan on command prompt. So we go to command prompt, we right click, run as administrator, and we type the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. And this should solve the problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.